counting sheep. Toss and turn, turn and toss.
Okay, toss here means, okay, you toss a coin, right? You know how to toss coin. Here means the person who cannot sleep. You turn this way, turn that way, and like toss. Okay. You see, that's a toss a coin. Okay, here means that person turn the right, turn the left. Okay, what's this doing?
Indigo. Indigo. Indigo.
It's a color.
A deep reddish blue.
Okay. Toss.
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 Yeah, here toss means just to turn around.
Holy cows. Holy cows.
Okay, here mix lightly.
Mix lightly.
Okay, I think it probably means this one. Heavy, continuous about, up and down, ship tossed by the wave.
She tossed by the way.
Okay, you know this toss.
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 Okay, here.
Move something back and forth and up and down.
Okay. Toss. Okay. So here means the person cannot sleep. Okay. Toss and turn and toss.
At least.
Meaning.
Meaning
is 1,000, 1,000. 1,000 is 1,000. Okay.
Sheep. I count. Toss and turn. I still can sleep.
Okay.
Instead, the sheep jumped one by one. I don't know why this doesn't work.
Okay, I think let's just read this part and then we answer the question. Okay.
The text show hyperbole,
Okay.
which uses
Good.
extreme,
okay.
extreme,
Very, very, okay.
extreme, or
Unrealistic. Unreal, okay.
Language to describe something. What is the purpose of this text?
Do you see that the hyperbole? Good.
It suggests a long time has passed. It shows that the poem takes place on a farm. It shows how good the speaker is at
Math. Okay, how good the speaker is at math. Okay, do you know which one? Okay, good. Long time has passed because I have already counted one meaning sheep. Okay.
I don't know why this doesn't work. Why do I lie here
Awake. Okay.
Wait a
Second.
don't sleep, need, sleep, back, and the pen, they go.
Okay, the pen is where the sheep stays. Okay, the sheep pen.
What?
You see, the sheep goes to here. The sheep pen. Okay, it goes to here. Okay.
Good night, sheep, I said to them. I and them, I.
Promptly means quickly. Okay, promptly. This is a new word. Promptly. You see, quickly. What's that?
Toss,
Toss. Toss.
toss,
Toss.
Stupid.
Move something back forth.
What?
No. Stop.
Promptly. Promptly. Promptly.
Okay. Can spell?
PROMPTLY. Property.
Promptly.
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 Promptly. That's a.
Promptly.
Promptly.
Yeah, promptly.
Promptly. Promptly.
Adverb.
Adverb. Okay, used to describe a verb. Okay.
Without.
Delay.
Very quickly or
Immediately.
immediately.
Okay, immediately. What's that? Immediately.
Immediately.
Okay. Immediately. Okay.
Then I properly
Promptly.
fall asleep.
Okay. Let's read it. Okay. What's going on?
No. Don't be the bolded text
Requires
requires an
inference.
inference, or I guess.
Okay, inference means guess.
About missing ideas. Details based on the text. Which sentence is most likely to be true?
Okay.
The speaker gathers
Good.
the sheep to count them. The
Speaker. The person who's reading this. Okay. Speaker. Okay, speaker. It can be a device or can be a person. That is a speak. And what's that?
Promptly.
Promptly.
Promptly. Promptly. Promptly.
Promptly. Oh, no.
Speaker.
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 Can spell?
SPEAKER. Speaker.
Okay.
Someone who is speaking.
Okay.
Speaker.
Speaker.
Speaker. Speaker.
Can spell?
SPEAKER. Speaker.
You see, without the er, it's a verb. Speak, right? At the er, the person who is speaking. Speaker. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The speaker is now completely awake. The speaker stopped counting sheep.
Okay, which one?
This one.
Okay.
Yesterday.
Okay. And another one.
Cows.
Okay, just read it this one.
What is the main theme of the poem? Sometimes the best way to get what you want is to stop trying so hard. There is nothing more important than getting a good night's sleep. If you keep trying and don't give up your hard work will pay off.
Is that okay, so which one? Okay, let's try it. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, let's read it. Okay, let's
Poems don't always
directly
directly state what the other is trying to tell you. So you offer to you need to look closely at a
poems.
text to help you figure out what the poem means. Sometimes details about a poem's characters
Good.
or events are missing. When this happens, you may need to make
Inferences
or
guesses
about what happens and why. At other times, a poem might use unusual words or phrases
Good.
to describe the characters or events. These
uses
of language are called figures
good
of speech. Others often use figures of speech to bring characters to life or to create a certain mood
good
or feeling for readers,
good
making
inferences
and understanding.
Figures
of speech can help you understand a poem's theme.
I think the main idea.
The theme is the main message that an author wants you to take away from the poem.
I think we can stop here.